my girls, we hopping out in foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl, pretty boy gang? I am back with another video. I know it's been so long since I've been on the channel. It's probably been like a month now. Excuse the hair on my face. Yes, so it has been about a month now, you guys. I have been super busy, but I want you guys to watch this video and, you know, catch up with me or whatever the case may be, because I'm going to be doing a life update and just kind of like things that have been going on with me lately, where I've been, what I've been doing, what I've been up to, and why I've been MIA. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so. But I'm about to get right into it because I actually have to catch a flight in like, well, I actually have to head to the airport in like an hour and a half, and I do have another video to do after this. So I want to get ready with you guys, or I want you guys to get ready with me, and then I'm gonna just talk to y'all, just, you know, update y'all on what's been going on. So I did some layers in my hair just now. I want to put some more layers because I don't feel like it's enough. It's not giving me enough body yada. But I didn't do a lot on this side at all, so. But yeah, you guys, so first of all, I do have a lot of videos already scheduled on the channel, so there's no excuse why I won't be uploading, because I already have videos edited and ready to just be published whenever I hit the button. Well, it's already scheduled to publish. So I do have some exciting content on the channel that you guys probably, you know, want to see or whatever, just to kind of get more insight of my life and what, you know, just you know, life of a princess or whatever the case may be. Anyways, I'm gonna stop chit-chatting and playing around with y'all, because girl, I gotta get ready to go. To start, come on now, Layah, get your stuff together, girl, because like, what are you doing? Because like, what's going on? Like, where's your stuff? Like, come on, girl. This is not a tutorial. I'm not really good at tutorial videos. Like, I feel like my camera angles don't be looking right and everything just be all over the place. So y'all gonna see me in this mirror looking, talking to y'all. So just bear with me now, because I'm trying to get this right and not be playing around. So where have I been? So if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys will more so know like what I've been up to and where I've been. Honestly though, I really haven't been posting much on my Instagram, but I do post, like, you know, stuff here and there, content. You know, I do have another channel that I be on, Princess and Flow. So like, if you guys don't see me on this channel, most likely I'm over there. That's my main channel, well, couples channel. So a lot of the stuff we do on that side. So we've been super busy with that, filming. We had like maybe about a whole month straight. We was filming like all day every day for like, well, I'm not gonna say all day every day, but it was like 12-hour days, just filming back to back to back. And so did I say 12 hours? Or do it really be 12 hours, child? I don't know. We be filming so much, girl. It be something like that though. We be filming a lot. But I've been working on that channel. I also have been working on my girls' channel and also their music. So I'm taking a lot of focus. I'm putting a lot of focus into that too, because my girls are really talented. My youngest, she's coming out with her first music video, coming really soon. We finished the single, we finished the song. It's amazing. It'll be dropping very soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. So I'll be shooting the music video for that next week. So excited, cannot wait. So yeah, so that's a big thing that I've been doing, working on. Okay, y'all, I had to do my eyebrows off camera because, girl, I cannot focus and do my eyebrows at the same time. So I had to do it on camera real quick. But, so yeah, so girl, I've been working on that. Also just been working on my businesses. You know, this year I told myself I'm not playing around, y'all. I opened back up my bookings. I turned off my bookings for a while just because, you know, filming and stuff like that, and I really couldn't do much traveling. You know, around the holiday time is usually when I was like doing all of the traveling. After I had my tour, I got super busy with bookings and stuff, and I was going back to Atlanta, going back to Florida and stuff like that, and just kind of like, you know, accepting bookings and working and stuff like that. And so now I am actually getting back to that, so I'll be traveling a lot more now, just doing, you know, minding my business that pays me, and traveling. But this time this time I'm gonna actually be traveling doing both of my businesses, which is my real estate and my hair business. So I'm gonna be busy with both, y'all. When I tell y'all this year, I'm not playing. Now I'm not gonna lie, I did have some downtime where I was just completely just like, I don't want to say depressed, but I almost slipped into a depression. But I told myself, or really I just had more so of like a self-reflect, like, look girl, Layah, you cannot play around with yourself, like. And I really just, I just try to focus on what means the most to me, and what really gets me going is my girls. It's just even just being around them and just being around their energy, being around like, their vibe. Like, I swear they make me feel so much better. They're almost like best friends to me. And they're like the best friends that I can't tell everything, but it's like they're just there to just make me feel better regardless. Not even knowing that I'm going through something, but they're making me feel better, not even knowing like that's what they're doing. Just naturally, that's just what they do for me. And I do also, of course, I got my girls, Allie, Chaz, my girls that I talk to and just hang with or whatever whenever I need friends to be around. And sometimes it's been a while since I have been around my friends. I mean, we hang out every now and then, and I don't always show that. I do have some footage that I will be uploading where we had like a little girls night over here, whatever the case may be. So I'll be uploading that too soon. But I don't always show that, just because when I have time with my girls, I feel like those are very precious moments that we don't always get. So I always just kind of like get so caught up into the moment that I don't be worried about like, oh, let me shoot this, or let me film this, or let me put it on Instagram and show everybody. Like, a lot of times we be together and y'all would never even know. So, a lot of y'all be asking me, do you still talk to, Chaz? Do you still talk to Allie? Do you still talk to Carmen? Yes, those are like my best friends. Like, seriously, like we talk about everything, from kids to relationships to, just YouTube. Like, we have all so much in common that, like, I can really consider them best friends. And I feel like, that's just a natural vibe that I will always have with them. And honestly, y'all, when it comes to like, just like hanging out with all my friends, especially YouTubers, y'all are not always gonna we're not always gonna be together, you know what I'm saying? Because we're all so busy. We have, our schedules be so crazy, like it'd be so crazy, like trying to like really just plan. That's why we don't really plan stuff. It's more so just like, hey, you busy today, girl? Come on, let's go, let's link. It's never just, okay, y'all, we going doing this next week, because next week could be turned into something totally different, So it's just like we just kind of like go as we go, It's always like some last minute, like, hey, what you doing today? Let's link up, let's have some drinks, let's, get some hookah. And usually, we be just turning up at the house, just having a little vibe. And a lot of times, we just like to have those moments to ourselves. You guys would just never be invited in those types of moments. So I hope y'all understand that, because a lot of y'all just always be asking me like questions like that when I go on live, or even in comments I've been seeing like y'all ask me questions like that. I'm like, yeah, those are my girls. Like, I don't never fall. One thing about me, I don't never fall out with my friends. Like, if I call you my friend and you my bitch, like, we locked in forever. Like, you not going nowhere, you know what I'm saying? Unless it's something where I feel like, we just kind of just don't mesh, which usually there's a trial period in the beginning where I would know, okay, well, yeah, this ain't the type of bitch I want to be around, or this not the type of this not my type of vibe, or this not my type of friend. Usually I would know that in the beginning. But once we pass that trial period and the months start rolling in and we start kicking it all the time and turning up, usually it's like, okay, we locked in. Like, I'm too old to be sitting up here trying to figure out, friends and all of that. I feel like I'm experienced enough to know who's fit for me and who's not, who's real and who's not, who's for me and who's not. And that's just what it is. I just stick to what what I feel comfortable with, who and I have my girls that I fuck with, and that's just that. And I know I talk about that a lot on my channel because you guys always ask, so I always want to make sure I keep y'all in the loop when it comes to like my friendships and stuff, because I'm really big on friendships, just really big on, you know, I value my friends. I value my friendships, you know, because I always look forward to long term, you know what I mean? Like all of my friends are long term. All the friends that I've had previously to moving here were always long term. I'm talking about years. Like my best friend is from the 4th grade, since we were in the 4th grade. My other best friend since we was kids as well. And then all like my Hebrew friends and stuff, we all grew up together. Like it's just always, all my friends are just really, I'm really close to them, and I value them a lot. And so when I build up friendships, I'm building up towards that long lasting like friendship, you know. And like I said, I'm too old for the flaw stuff. Like you'll never catch me being flaw or phony or fake, or, you know, I'm past that stage of like, you know, doing stuff like that. And I don't feel like there's ever a time where I ever really was that way. I was always that loyal friend. Leos, one thing about us, we are extremely loyal people when it comes to our friends and our relationships. Like we are extremely loyal and lovable. Like we love our people and we stick to that. Like we stick to who we know, who we love, and we cherish those people like dearly. My battery about to die, y'all. Let me just tell Flo to bring it to me, the new battery. But yeah, so it's just what it is, y'all.
Yeah.
Can you bring me the other battery? Have you ever heard of Temu? I've ordered some stuff from them, but honestly, I did not know that you can like get free stuff from Temu. So this ain't no promotion or nothing like that, but girl, click my code in my bio. Click my code in my thingamajig, the link in my bio, in my description, so y'all can get me some Temu stuff, whatever the case may be. And so you can get you some Temu stuff, girl. So that's that on that. I'm really excited for this year. I'm extremely excited. Like I said, I had my down moments. I feel like when I get on here and talk to y'all too, it makes me feel good, because it makes me feel like, you know, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. You know, y'all always just kind of uplift me and give me like strength, you know, because I was down for a couple weeks, y'all. And I'm not talking about just down now, like I was sick and everything. Like I was really like down bad. Like it wasn't cute at all. So I had to shake myself out of that. I had to really shake myself out of that, because, you know, I just don't like when I get like that, because it's hard to come back from that and just get back into normal life. Like, so I just, y'all, oh my god. So I was like, I just gotta get back onto my YouTube. I gotta start focusing back on that. Like, it's just a lot of stuff that I have been focusing more on, and then less than other things, you know. So that's where I'm at with everything, girl. I gotta pack all my makeup, y'all. I got like an hour. I'm playing around. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna take y'all on this trip with me. My battery had died. But yes, I am also wearing one of my favorite bras from HSIA. And y'all know I do a lot of like reviews on their bras. Love their bras. I'm about to put these lashes on, girl, and we finna, girl, we gonna do some gloss, and that's gonna be that on it. This has been a while since I actually traveled by plane. Lately I've been driving whenever I go out of town, but literally when I come back this week or next week, I'm gonna be literally leaving like that next week to go back out of town again, to take my girls to Atlanta for spring break. But I'm gonna be stopping in Louisiana to see my mom and my grandmother, which is what I usually do when I drive. That's why I like to drive. So yeah. So that is that on that. I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm going this time or why I'm going, but you guys will see in the next video. So some of my videos might be a little out of order just because I had so much content that I had to upload. And I do have I hate when I get sweaty right here. Oh, it's so annoying. And it always gets like that when I put on makeup. But I do have a promo video that I have to do after this. So that's kind of like what's throwing everything off. Otherwise I would have just did this video. Well, not really, because it would have been out of order either way, because I wanted to do a, you know, update, life update, where have I been. So I'm just not throwing out content. You guys are like, oh damn, where's she been, you know? So I wanted it to make sense, if that makes sense. Ooh, I hate dusting this stuff off. It's so annoying. But yeah, I'm literally packing all my makeup as I use it. I already packed up my flat irons. I'm not gonna do like no highlight. I'm just gonna do blush, contour, and that's dead on date. Alright, so I'm packing up my makeup and stuff. I got my bonnet in here. I gotta pack my toothbrush, toothpaste. But I think for the most part, I got everything right here I need. Then I pack my highlight. Okay, yeah. Alright, so I did that. Oh, one more thing I gotta do. Because I gotta lay my edges back down, because they be like tripping or whatever. So I'm just lay that down while I'm doing this, and then I'll let y'all see the finished look with my hair being laid down. Cause girl, these edges was trying to pop up for a little second. I was like, no, we're not doing that now, no ma'am. Scissors, definitely gonna need these. I'll be trying to clean up as I go, child. But yeah, so that's really it, y'all. I don't really got much else to say to y'all for real. Y'all can get off the camera now. I'm just playing. But no, for real, I don't really have much else that's going on with me for real. Everything just been, you know. What the heck? Yeah, I don't need that. I don't need that. I got a bunch of stuff in here that I don't need, that I don't even use. Just taking up space, golly. I'm trying to get all my stuff in this one little makeup bag so I won't have to separate it. Only problem is I don't know how I'm gonna bring this back. I'll figure it out. Okay, so that's that. So that was my update with y'all. I'm about to take off this scarf so y'all can see. I just left it on for a few seconds because, oh, tweezers. But yeah, I just left it on for a few seconds. I love the layers in my hair. Love, love, love. Alright, but y'all gonna see me in the next video, so let me take this off. Put it so I can pack it and not forget. But that is my hair. I ain't got no earrings. I ain't been wearing earrings in a minute. God, dog, that's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, y'all, so I will see y'all in my next video. This is my finished look, you guys. My next video I'm probably gonna be looking somewhat the same makeup wise, but I'm gonna be doing a little try on haul, whatever the case may be, so y'all get to see that. But for now, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.